Hi everyone, thanks for being here. This is the 7th episode of my Devlog series, and the game I'm working on finally got a name. Astortion. Here you can see the main menu that I've created this week. And here's another thing I've been working on. The save system. There are 3 slots available for us. If the slot is taken, like the first one, it displays information about where we are in the game, how much time we've spent playing it, and what percentage of it we've completed. Let me click on this empty slot to start a new game. Of course, this isn't how the game starts, I'm just using this scene for testing. I can hit escape to pause the game. I can resume it. I can go to the options, which are empty for now. And I can return to the main menu. Here you can see that now the second slot is also taken. Let's load it. And it's still the same. This is because this particular scene doesn't save anything aside from its title. Normal scenes will of course have some sort of checkpoints along the way and stuff. Nevertheless, the save system itself is working. The time spent in the game has increased, so the file was properly modified. And of course I can close the game, reopen it. And these saves are still here. Let me show you something else that I find interesting. This is the initial scene, it will always be loaded first when the game launches. And sometimes people make a mistake of putting their startup logic in this scene. Because of that, each time they want to test their game, they need to reopen this initial scene, hit play, go through the menu and wait for the actual scene to load. I was able to avoid that. Let me open another scene and demonstrate. The interface has been loaded in the background, so I can still pause the game, go back to the main menu, and so on, just as if the game was started normally. Additionally, you may notice that now the first slot is also taken. This is because if you start the game from another scene, the game won't know which file it should use. Fortunately, every scene can tell the game exactly what save it needs, via this save snapshot component. So if I, for example, change the title and hit play, the game will use this snapshot to generate current save data. And the third slot now indeed reflects that. I'm sure that being able to play any scene immediately like that will save me a lot of time later on. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thank you all for watching, see you in the next video and take care.